Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a workspace in Microsoft Loop. Let's get started. First, go to your website and search for Microsoft Loop. Now, once you're here, you can either click on Sign In or Get Started. Click on Sign In if you already have an account. Type in your email, phone, or Skype. If you don't have an account, click on Create One. Now, once you've logged in, you will be directed to Microsoft Loop dashboard. Now in here, you can access the workspaces, recent components, and pages. If it is not available in you can access this through the tools on the left side of the screen. Now, click the three dots on the workspace that you want to delete. A pop-up window will show, click on delete, then make sure that you really want to delete this because this will be permanently deleted. After that, just refresh the page, and that's it. That's how you delete a workspace in Microsoft Loop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.